Hello, all beautiful hearts. I hope you are doing well. In this time of lockdown, gardening is becoming hobby among many of you. Gardening or planting refresh our mind and also keep us busy. So, in this video, I will share two different planter hanger that you can use in your balcony or your living room. So, without talking much, let's start the video. For today's planter making, we need some jute rope, wooden pieces, a stick, and acrylic colors. Okay, let's start the first one. At first I will paint the piece of wood. Since I like white, I am using white. You can also use any color you like. Okay, it's done, and let it dry properly. In the meantime, I am starting whipping the base of planter. At first, to hang the planter, I am tying the rope at both ends of the stick. Here I take 8 pieces of rope which are 150 cm long. I am hanging this on a wall and twisting rope in the stick. Here you can see I organized them in two pieces separately. Now I'm starting the knot and see it carefully. weaving is done, to place the wooden piece, I will tie the rope from the both sides. With placing this wooden piece, this lantern is ready to hang. Now for the second one, here I took 3 pieces of jute rope which are 150 cm long. I am folding this rope and giving a tight knot at the top to hang it. Now I am taking 2 rope and giving a knot and repeat the same for the left. Okay, it's done. Now giving a knot at the end and it is ready to hang. Hope you like this video and will try it for your balcony. Let me know your opinion about this DIY in comment section. Please subscribe my channel for more DIYs and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be very soon with new ideas and till then stay beautiful.